Here we have a problem on proportion. The sum of the ages of the three persons is 150 years. 10 years ago, their ages were in the ratio 7:8:9. Find their present ages. Okay, here it is given that 150 years. This 150 years is the sum of the present ages of three persons. Because we have the word is this the present form verb? So this 150 years is the sum of the present ages of three persons. And also the ratio of the ages of three persons is given, that is 10 years ago. Okay, so from the ratio 7:8:9 we can come to know the ages of three persons 10 years ago. So 10 years ago the age of the first person is 7x, age of the second person is 8x, and age of the third person is 9x. Okay, the target of the question is to find the present ages of three persons. 7x was the age of the first person, 8x was the age of the second person, 9x was the age of the third person 10 years ago. To get the present age, what I need to do is I have to add 10 to age of each person. So 7x plus 10, 8x plus 10, 9x plus 10. So this is the age of the first person, present age of the first person. This is the present age of the second person. This is the present age of the third person. So once I get the value of x, I can easily find the present ages of three persons. And also the first sentence says the sum of the ages. In particular, the sum of the present ages of the three persons is 150 years. So we have 7x plus 10 plus 8x plus 10 plus 9x plus 10 is equal to 150. Okay, let's simplify this one and solve for x. So 7x plus 8x plus 9x, so it's going to be 24x plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals to 30, equal to 150. So we get 24x is equal to 150 minus 30. Because I am taking this 30 plus 30 to the right side, it will become minus 30. So 24x is equal to 120. Okay, my aim is to get the value of x. Here 24 and x are multiplied. If 24 goes to the right side, it will divide 120. So x is equal to 120 by 24. So we can simplify this one. 24 goes into 24 one times, 24 goes into 125 times. So we get x is equal to 5. Okay, to get the percentage of the first person, we have to substitute x is equal to 5 in 7x plus 10. Then it will be 7 times 5, 35. 35 plus 10 is 45. So 45 is the age of the first person. And to know the percentage of the second person, we have to substitute x is equal to 5 in 8x plus 10. So 8 times 5 is 40. 40 plus 10 is going to be 50. And to know the percentage of the third person, we have to substitute x is equal to 5 in 9x plus 10. So 9 times 5 is 45. 45 plus 10, 55. So the present ages of the three persons are 45 years, 50 years, 55 years.